am from Jiji.ng. We are here to look at your store and various things you have for us today. Yes. Hello everybody, it is Tokumbo. We are live at shop F05 and 6 Only Fashion Store at Tejo Show Mall. Where are my fashionistas at? Today we are going to be talking about color combinations. You know, how do you control colors? So when you walk into a room, you have everyone's head turning around to see who just walked into that room. Get your notepads and your pen and let's take notes on what is happening today. So color combinations are the keys to flawless look. If you are not an expert in color combination, I recommend you save this video and watch it every morning before you dress up so it can help you in picking the right colors for the day. So I'm going to be introducing you to some of the latest colors in fashion that will make you look like the hottest lady in the room whenever you walk into a room. We are going to be looking at 3 fantastic colors that when we combine other colors with it, it's going to help us freshen up our fashion sense. Our first color is blue, and this is blue. The next, we are also going to be talking about red. Red is a very bright color. We can mix different colors with it and we'll be talking about it shortly. Also, we have orange. We have orange. So we're going to be looking at these 3 colors shortly and how can we mix them up. So for color combination with blue, if your favorite color is blue, try combining it with several different colors. Here are several common colors to go with blue. So the first is orange. Try wearing a navy blue pants with burnt orange top. You are sure to love the color combination. And we have pink. Pastel pink is an ideal color combination with blue. A blue dress color combination with pink will definitely have people complimenting your style. So red is another color to combine with blue. Go for statement red accessory if you want a perfect color combination that will go with a royal blue dress. Then we have turquoise. Another color we can combine with blue is turquoise. So trust me on this one. Cobalt blue paired with turquoise is a very powerful combination. There you have it. These are the 4 colors we can combine with blue. So we're going to talk about colors that go with orange. The first color is black. Wear your most sexy high-waisted orange flared pants and show off your abs wearing a black crop top. Thank me later. So another color to mix with orange is sand. This is a great basic color that goes with almost any orange outfit. So talking about color combination, navy blue and orange is a great color combination. This is a color that underlines the brightness of orange. Another color is army green. This wonderfully brings out the freshness of orange. So another color that goes very well with orange would be purple. You will never go unnoticed when you rock this bright combo. And don't forget your sunglasses for even a cooler look. And lastly, we'll be looking at the red color combination. Mustard yellow, this is a very warm color. They look very edgy together. Another color that goes really well with red would be pink. It is very girly and trendy. It is a wonderful color combination. Army green is a wonderful color combination with red. They look incredibly fashion forward. So our last trendy color combination for the day will be red and blue. They combine so well. They always look trendy, fresh and in style. So there you have it. These are the color combinations every woman must try. Remember to thank us or give us a shout out when you are receiving the best dress award in your organization or in the office or at parties, wherever you are. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscription button below, and also follow us on all our social media pages and visit us on Jiji.ng. Thank you.
Jiji.ng. Sell faster, buy smarter.